guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today what we're going to do is we're going to head down to Chester, New Jersey, and we're going to check out the 25th annual car show that's there on Main Street, right? It's a cool little location, very historic. It's sponsored by the Historic Chester Business Association, and it's to support all the local businesses that are out there. They have antique shops, ice cream stores, pizza shops, a bunch of different stores down there, and they're all being supported by this event, right? And we're also going to go down there. We're going to check out SC3 Entertainment. One of my good friends, Chris, who runs that, he's the DJ over at that show, and we're going to kind of walk around and check out the cars and see what it's all about. Let's get to it. This is Talking with Cars. This paint is incredible. This is a really nice Mustang. Thank you. How's it going?
Good. For sale, $1,000.
For sale, $1,000?
Yeah.
I'll take it right now. Right now. Hold on. Let me get my guy.
79, you'd have got it.
Yeah.
I wholesaled my 70 for $1,300
Wow.
back in 70.
And that was a
LS6.
Alex, somebody offered the same. Is that the same year? Is that 72 too? 67.5.
That's a 72, but he changed the lights.
They look similar to yours. Or they look like LED.
The marker.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, I see it. Yeah.
Are those the original?
Yeah.
Those are the original.
He changed those.
He changed. Those are.
That's a 72 also, but he changed them.
He changed those.
Those are 71 marker lights.
And then he's got LEDs for
Yeah.
front lights,
Well,
right?
He's got more money than me.
Yeah.
I can't afford. I can't
You can't
afford
get the LEDs.
I washed my car now. Okay, what?
Yeah, right. You gotta get permission with these places.
I'm just saying. I'm sure you pay a spot fee.
Hello, how are you? Very cool.
I'm gonna cross over.
Detailing. All
My
right.
son, not me.
What, your son's business?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Mom had to come out and help him out today.
Yeah, that's good. Good family
It's hard too.
business here.
Based in Chester, right?
He's mobile detailing, but we live in Chester.
Oh, okay.
These are free?
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We're just we close fun.
That sounds good.
It's yours? Yeah. How's the ride? Beautiful. Really?
Awesome.
How long have you had it? About 6 years now.
Have you done any work to it, or you kind of bought it as is?
I bought it, it was sitting on blocks for 10 years. So the engine was seized, the paint was all faded, the chrome was all turning gray. Polished everything, I got the engine unseized and running, and put a new set of tires on it because the tires had gone.
Yep.
Shattering away.
It was in Dover. Dover, like by Rockaway, that area.
Oh, it's Newark.
No, like Rockaway, New Jersey. Yeah. It's up in North Jersey.
North of Dover. And who's this company?
It was called Madsen.
That's
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Thanks. We're just in case you're ready.
Oh, there's the guy. The guy opened that little.
My grandmother's garage, her mother's garage.
Oh, very cool.
Thank you.
Nice. Those are the pictures of you guys like working on it?
There's a couple pictures of that, yes.
Awesome. That's so cool.
Probably was 10 years. And we went over the garage leaning over like this. We went down a month later, the garage leaning over like this. So we brought it up here, and within
orientation.
Not right now. Let's look at this.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
There's a mini car in the back.
I like the hula girl.
Huh?
I like the hula girl.
Oh, of course.
Wow.
It's amazing how much different it was. And for some reason, it didn't look like there is no comfort in dying. You just die.
Yeah, but like it costs less.
Yeah, that was the big difference.
Brand new, $4,200.
Yeah. What year was that?
Well, this is a 70. There you go.
Amazing, eh?
Very cool. Led Zeppelin's in it. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, which Zeppelin?
Okay.
I love it when they add the photos.
Spend a lot of time on them.
Yeah, so many hours, days, months.
Then you got this.
From that to this.
Then you got this.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
This is really nice.
Yep.
Let's see what kind of Elton John, Rio Speedwagon, Bruce Springsteen, Rolling Stones, Styx. That's awesome.
This wouldn't be a hard one.
Yeah, right. A little bit of room in there.
You know why? There's no computer
It's
component.
well, and it's a six. It's a six-cylinder,
And there's no
inline
computer
six.
component.
All right, vets. Who doesn't like a vet? Yeah.